Hi, my name is Abhijit Singh and student ID is 4557516. Today I will presentation will explore the Nike Sweatshop controversy because it involved significant ethical problems throughout global business operations. As a leader of sportswear production, Nike received criticism when its supplier facilities exhibited unsatisfactory working environment. The presentation investigation the issue while analyzing Nike's reaction and explore way to enhance their operation. In this slide, we will talking about a global leader in athletic apparels. The innovation and branding strategy makes Nike a leading manufacturing of footwear product throughout the world. The multinational company stretches its supply network throughout different locations, which depend on factories located in developing nations like USA, Canada, and etc. In the third slide, shows the ethical problem that factories producing the Nike products were dealing with. Appearing in Conrad reports uncovered several problems within Nike supplying facilities like low wages, excessive working hours, unsafe working conditions, child labor, harassment and abuse of work. There are many impacts on the employers, like a workers' rights were violated, the public unknowing funded these wrongdoing operations. The negative publicity direct harm the company identified, identifies of Nike. In this slide, we will talking about who was affected and what value were violated. The presentation explore how business target conflicts with ethical requirements. The controversy highlight a conflict, fair labor practices versus profit maximizing. Clearly, Nike faced criticism because the company had poor oversight of its supply chain networks and insufficient corporate accountability practices. Public creation people throughout the public wondered if Nike needed to hold accountable the unethical conduct of their supplier network. The criticism claimed the Nike needed to take responsibility to protect both fair and safe employment standards. In the fifth slide, from the start, Nike maintained it had no accountability since the factory owners bore responsibility for their facilities. When investigators mounted pressures against them, Nike had to implement changes. Step Nike took the establishment of a supplier code of conduct by Nike aimed to establish essential manufacturing standards. Factory monitored increased because of better audit step and enhanced inspections. Organizations received Nike's collaboration to establish better working environment for their labor. The company demonstrated the sustainability throughout its essential sourcing while maintaining fair working conditions for their all workers. In this slide, we will talking about what kind of the steps Nike took. The first and foremost is that the establishment of a supplier code of conduct by Nike aimed to establish essential manufacturing standards. Factory monitor increased because of better audit step and enhanced inspection. NGO received Nike's collaboration to establish better working environment for labor. The company demonstrates sustainability through its ethical sourcing while maintaining fair working conditions for all workers. At first, Nike focused on damage control and PR, and then later the company became more ethical, responsible, and the company involved into better ethical responsibility during its extended operation period. Various stakeholders acknowledged the program made by Nike, but they maintain that additional sustainability changes should still be implemented. In the seventh slide, recommendation for further improvement long-term ethical sourcing can be achieved by Nike through the following steps. The first and foremost is that the company should disclose the complete production information to their customer and stakeholder. And the second is that the worker union should receive support by allowing organizational bargaining rights. And the third, the stricter monitor and enforcement, conduct more rigorous audit. And the fourth, the company should join force with NGOs together with labor organization and government bodies to reach mutual goals. And the last is that the organization should prioritize workforce benefits by creating better health regulations while boosting economic possibility combined with increased protections measure.